Yeah, share this video, it's a quick one. Don't be loud. Oh yeah, let's go there. Still on Mumu, let's take your lead. Yes. If I talk short, yeah, they mean what I talk. Yes. Mumu, let's take your lead. We go with saga there. You need ya, munya, muni ya, you ma water your worry. When you want to see it, but not be on me, Hannah, on the CIA, not be on the CIA. Because you know, ma, sister, we can't get me a head. Again, woman, you go to what? Tell me, say, boy. Again, you always say, now, even you dama, near now, where all you I would die, and make me out dying, what would die, messing your boy. 100 months. uno ye no ya gbe no ya saga orien jebo 100 months no ya saga Don Moscow Lord of Central 100 months ne men ya bina zanzore pastor a woman on it was one a pastor a pastor why a problem a pastor I pastor you only go say ya bion biangara biangara on not be I did saga space a man when I say lion and tiger combined together we will not the girlfriend for year. As far as you stand for truth, we will be truth with you and we'll be friend with you. But if you stand for evil, we'll disgrace you. Now, first of all, let me go straight and start playing your video first. Because I don't know where I don't know where not what you are. Because it's a guy who are tough. Let me play Epa right. I play one SD. I call it play 2. And this 2 I call it play SD. The feeling is deep. The feeling is deep. Okay. Oh, we mamu doggy me. Oh, me must not be muscle and I'm with doggy now. Oh, we am with doggy me. Okay, now look good day. I am him. I'm an amiable, come look good day. I am him, what tongue. Eddie Carter, I noticed from the beginning of this story where he here, oh, he argue event immediately. Elovetti, Nenya yo, he argue event, but a matter, and I are disgrace you. My sister. What about when a problem with her? You know, when you don't marry a Kevi, it's your problem. More this that you know when I saw. More can know what. It may know when I saw him. It was so what we had to say. In a fatty, more no can not do what no better you were here. Oh, when we your men Hannah, you have your manner. We have good basway, we have basway when we saw Narugaso. And no see and when I'm moving away, a presenter with no becana. Even though you wear a cocoon any where because any live video presenters, it's going to be a 2 different ball game now. I'm going to deal with you as long as you deal with everything way. The attitude towards me now showed how stupid you are. Okay, but anyway, one done. No, say one relationship will already work. Well, I'm done way. It won't be young before. It's not like you're mistaken. No, you will be a cookie. Oh, yet no come. Nemo dog. Yes, say, oh, young dog. It was so young, what be a piano, but Obeati will go young. Obeati will because of you to something. He had to go be a when he has said, we no managers, we no shrubs, much as possible, no mission relationship work. Muda were oh, no man, or a no matter the man, we don't put him say, oh, when you see I everything on the wagon. Oh, yeah, no man, bow on the or a bow wagon, or more here. It ain't over ye. And never you look, yes, so that's a royalty mistake of what we have there because of who knew me. Oh, when you go away, or I never thought it was. It's 2 things, Babasa. Mother of vets now who are not mommy, let's equality. No, red papillona. You're dead by one of papillona. Always be said on your bow. Yes, more son who were mufwa, and now were mufwa. Why you have no? Ni lo ya kene mufwa. More son on wafwa, and send them wafwa. Also, when I saw it, when waka who were a webuna. What's the one I go out here? Ekere. Ik ben ook beka you in the weapon. What me wa beka you in? What's your na no man fi wa yawa. Na go na segbi me. Wa ga direct ali ne. E do hiyo mozo. Wa mana da wa we tani ari oru wa he wa na ari wa. I ga daddy. I ga honey. Baba with a smile. I just do my drink. Oh my no. What I mean now? What have you not follow you? What I scream? What I zele when man? What I speak in tongues? What I zele be a cabian because I carry my head. What may? Oh, yeah, you want? Come on, but where he are. Up barrel, you wedding. When I were carrying, you know, promise can quick. A couple more to boy. When I were carrying, you know, promise can quick. A couple more to boy, couple more boy. Can I wear a was one? No, what though? When you're done then. Sister, no, what though? When you're done then now. Oh, we're not kind of women for one. No, I cook beneath where you've been bought that for. That okay, man, what done you? Why ye baba meba? Why na ki monitoring spirit le woni sahe? Udo ga gbon. Udo wa do ga gbon o. Ipo so lo boa, ibe pon e bi bien. No ma give me him once go ngwa tiveji na ga menwa because o na bia and the baseba abe go maroa. Me o be no mo liability you what that's one thing about me. You understand? Right from time no. In case mo you na kun go okuniri aso se ile ko no to to wa bete ya le ni atone. Adon ware ome nokbia emagi nokbia ofigbon nokbia aburupa nokbia ahio nokbia wa de panti nokbia wa dewu nokbia me gbo le gbogbo we ori e sister lo ke padi si mo ke bonton e France gbekpo si adegi yekene kegbu si bokbe ade Italy ikpe de Italy lerun when I ya kunpa kun ari France kun ari Germany. Et non, France n'a que France, comment, bon, mon billet qui, mon le bé a dit tali woti, il y a no Dieu what biaya, il y a no Dieu what ya as a liability. O solo wa bis ko la fi. Now, o pe no we ndo si bu wa we besh, we go, and we run the streets because a be we ya attract them. I think no de document de le ho. Even no sunda ya, o sunda, o sayande. Now, we're not book, we are Jowa. Okbani Munifab, farm work, Basiba, or a farm work. Anywhere pay farm work or too much 1-2 as a single man, never more. In a pay 1,200, for example, get here 1.5, we're happy with. No, we're not me. When I open on me 1.5 the month, una ke Franci, back day, when we nanya. Ugede unaria mo papa le gbere ye pifo uriye book be a day not single no vere maybe 2 room yata we 2 room ni we hack we no da fun rent 2 room ni ma have Italy ga low gbe etem go yen village or you low gbe 350 na base ye 400 2 bedroom. Now what the borrow now calculation why we di ko ya frustrated be I we bo owo even we bo mighty bo wa or even we bo go gije bo wa. Wow, damn it. There are some men who is not business wise. They are not financial experts. They don't know how to calculate things, how to budget their expeditions each and every month. That's the reason why you still see many of our men abroad, they are poor. Many of our men abroad, they are in abroad, they are poor. Who they can go better past them? Now, you as a man, they collect 1,500 a month. Your house rent now 400. You are left with 1,100. Your light bill and gas bill, water bill, let's say everything. Let's bust it up for 200 euros. Now, no as big, they not call, don't come now. Your stomach go to work, everything hit up go to work. So definitely your bills don't increase during the cold time. At the end of the day, you end up by your bills at 200 euros. 200 plus 400 or 600 euros. And you collect 1,500 euros, for example. Automatically, you're left with 900 euros. Okay, now 900 euros. Definitely you go do if my man with this like man with a drink beer. I mean whether good or bad, a month I must bust 100 euro. Let's say 100 euro for my beer, for my flexing. Club not do because definitely you must follow us. You go meet friends now, you still buy beer normal level now. If not with the stitching. That one 100. Let's say 100 euro for your flexing. I must remember you made 800 euro, you're left with 800 euros. As a man now, you get wife for house. You don't get wife, Abi? Your wife carry over my whole body come, which is a stepdaughter. You get stepdaughter for us, Abi. You as a man, you get one pikin for Nigeria, Abi. You get mama for Nigeria, Abi. Your wife get pikin for Nigeria. son, daughter for Nigeria. Abi, this one be saga. We just do mathematics so that people can use brain. Make some men wise up. Your wife get picky for Nigeria. Your wife get mama for Nigeria. So at the end of the month, definitely, let's do plus and minus. Your wife, mama, you must send me my in-law. Make her bless my in-law. Small thing, normal level, 50 card. Let's say 50 euro. They go ask. Your wife, baby, at the end of the month, now because now you come be daddy now. Let's say 50 euro go ask for your baby. Your mommy will born you for a belly. You go sir, normal level, mommy. If your man day for tenants, you go pay your man house rent at the end of the month. You understand? You go pay your man house rent normally. If your man not there tenant, that's okay. Every month you brush your mommy with 50 card. Now things are the call for go. I think your mommy 100 card immediately follow up because 100 card is close to 170 something thousand or 280,000. Let's say 180,000. So you press the mommy 100 card. You understand? Immediately follow up with you and your pikin with them with your mommy. So how much now you can't get now as a man, whether good or bad, your money got left with 600 euros with you for hand here now. Let's come to Europe now. Your pikin where you get for year, which is your stepdaughter where you get for year, you must still do spacer for what to go school. You must do spacer for PP. Baby children's space are different from adult home. You understand? Your wife now, definitely, you must still be your wife don't come out wear pants, no need. She don't wear pants. That one just pants come out. She must want buy one polo because she be done. She dey show herself as a presenter. She know they wear one shirt, they come out, they know they mock. You understand? She won't buy one or two polo or one or two shirts. If you don't mark her, she needs normal level. Go enter, she needs to go look for one or two fine clothes. We go still buy. Wear. Maybe instead of done 70 euro past their view. You understand? For that 600 with the menu or 500 with the menu view. Now, bang. You as a guy, man, you must still look one man carry or one shoe you want to get for hand. You have 100 euro past their view. But my way space like you have. Or don't call those food spacer for us. Thank God, someone they see when I go my house. I go by white side now. They do spacer. Now they see the spacer what they do. Not be one so. Not be one. If I don't want to do spacer for that house now, before 4 or 5 days, we'll still go do that one. You feel me so? No go do spacer. Let's say 200 euro don't flash spacer. Okay, how much can they with you when you want to buy land, start to build house? Is it calculative? How much can they with you? You never stand. You never stand for abroad. You want to take responsibility where your papa not even take. Before your papa marry your man. For Bongo, responsibility key many for our fathers. Yes, because our father like to sweet toto. They like sweet pussy. You understand? So that they boom anyhow. The one that they burn, so the food they increase. Rubber they increase. They increase. Then they cook one rubber before for 2 children. And another they cook. The one children they increase. And when the rubber they key many for our father. For Bongo. Now they cannot come Europe here. Sister were there for Becky, mommy no tell where she did. Now you are the talk to. Mommy what where she did. Now you are the calculate things they give so. You're the kind of frustration where you put for my life. Now with the way we see now, I don't talk and say you don't get husband again. That mogo boy will say we go do your introduction. You don't want to leave your waiting. You don't wait for document not come. You come to that for your house, they give a problem. You did that at the end of the day, go not come. You walk, not the walk. Come with picking. Will not be home. Who get picking they enjoy life they go for Torino Napikoye. Napoleon Nipoyo. Napoleon Nipoye. Don't go there. Now, make I leave you. Let's go to mommy. Let Kpekus lead. Mommy, let Kpekus lead. Mommy, let Kpekus lead. You say you not feel give me doggy. I can't no say center of the yansh black. Answer that questions. I said no say center of your yansh black. Your cream where they use your organic cream, carrot white, where you the rub. You don't feel use and rub the yansh. Rub the center of the yansh, make the yansh still fed. Join the rest yanshy body. Make it fresh, join the yashi body. Now see as my hand there now. Now see my hand. Now see this place now. Okay, if I can't do it like this now, now see this place black. Now see the center black. It come like people were born for JC. Hello? Agrito. Alpha. You don't like video. You don't like video. Yeah. All right. No. Sister, when you're black, I not still look the black because I see some bleaching. I worry you because your body fair. All this ankle black, blah 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 blah. This ankle black, your body fair. But you open yours now for me now yours black. I say I total black. Body fair. I mean say this fair not be natural fair. But this one bleach you not be here. If you see this one for you gonna bleach here. Why you be say the total come black? Total black. Inside the total the red. On the red bowl like tomatoes. You see total. I have to run my guy. Try to be bad guy. For not praise me. I said they give me an award. Who give me that award? You see all those where you put. Many where you posted are fake. Yes. Who post that? Who do that video? They send it for me. That award when I give me so not clear. We need to go redo one again. Yes. We need to go redo that award. That award when I put so. That award not clear. Most people gonna go put their picture over there. I don't yash them. All those one are fake. Even the one I yash, they are them all. No, not put the picture. No, not put the picture. No, go to put fake picture. No, not happy for nonsense happy. You understand? If you want to give me awards, not put the right women, not put all those like woman where their husband house. Now go to put them. Which one where they UK? What do they call this one? What do they call this one with the UK? Asaboro. Now go to put Asaboro. Now go to put what do they call the other one? What do they call the other one? What do they call the other one? Say with the UK died today. Mommy, name me okay. And what do they call that one with the UK? You know, come of UK. Now go to put those women. After I don't answer those women. Now go put for me, mama, my go, my family go daughter, mother. All those one I go put na rubbish. You understand? All those one I go they put na rubbish. Both the other one when they go to America wanna go put na rubbish because I don't answer. You feel me so? So all those one are just nonsense. No, they will be my girlfriend. You understand? The real nashing things when I don't put them. Like that, mommy let Akpi colleague no one a confirmation code. That one code they just mark and register. That's a confirmation. Only that one they'll give me a word safe. You understand? One even this guy waiting for Guinea, not even knock person will flash that. I pass that guy for knocking. We're not supposed to have my word past that one. I'm not going to give me one small cup. It don't make sense. Easy to come another country and come down successfully without breaking your hand, breaking your leg. You're not supposed to give me better award. Best way if you fuck with me, let all of lead. As a big rich, you're not supposed to give me better award. See that award when I give me so, that Guinness Book of Record, when I give me so, it's not clear, when I go change them again. All those names when I put there, those one, they don't work, they don't shop my bola. My bola is not for those people. You understand? I need to go delete all those ones when I redo them again. Starting from Prado show. Starting from the body. When I go back, when I not even put that one picture there. And I'm going to put another people when not even clear. People can even chop. Both Napoli vendors when I go to put, and all those ones, I don't shop all those ones. And I go to put them. You understand? Anything go on with your name clear. Yes, now. Say now, woman, you just they describe like this. Now she, my sister. Now the way the woman they describe me. Now some men they describe woman. So the thing, so if I they describe woman, they pain on me. But those useless women, they say, it gets my cassava, it gets my bella, it gets no bella. Una deaf, no ear, carry, no ear. They block no ear. I'm gonna break get stretch mark. When those women they describe their Kpekus, una break get stretch mark. They are on my head. They are on my head. When that useless woman sit down for live video, they disgrace men. They hire your brain, Abi. When that useless woman go punish the generation, sit down at the talk, say, nah, Jabona give am belle. Your brain, they skip that time. You don't hear her. When you saying, he took the red. He coins the red. I won't touch. Because I know why they see the red. I was thinking, say, maybe track this side to do. I think the track this side to do. The rock red light for inside. When they parking space there. They never off the ignition of the car with the park for side Kpekus. Me, I don't go get on system for side the Kpekus. Now, they untouched the look. The total of mommy let Akpi colleague. I think I just wake up this morning. I see they show one kind picture like that. I go look the picture. They even forward that to me. They go they put people where never knock. The real people where person where knock they not put them. The organ of them all. They don't put her. They go they put on that Yama people. They go they put people we say I don't even knock. They go they put them. No, don't be like that. You don't do this like that. You don't do this like that. You want to do something, you do something right, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Do it right. You feel me? You feel me? Nigga. So go and change that. I'm gonna change that thing. I'm gonna change that narrative. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna put the right person. The right thing. Picture of you're the market. I don't accept them. It's not acceptable. Get the picture of yourself. I'm gonna give me 3 to 2 over there. I'm gonna give me 3 to 2. 3 to 2. I'm gonna give me 3 to 2. Because the kind of wicked picture with this my phone. 5 billion come out. Social media. No, I don't think I cannot chop this saga reach like December 20 something. Let's say I'll bring on that new saga come out for New Year. Maybe we cast. People go to chop bone, they go chop chicken, they go to laugh. People go enter their truth. It's not what I'll do, but what's to do? Omo! Cynical bastard saga with it on all. But that one I'm not clear. That's how that don't make sense. That's how that don't make sense. I don't see the picture. Give me that the person did the picture. The person did this picture. I don't see the picture where they sent for me. Okay. No, don't see the picture where they talk now. They also give me one award. Can go put a award when not give me money. Not supposed to follow that work on. The person did the picture. I see. The person did the picture. Because the award not clear. Not clear. And this person is supposed to know say this guy. Person does the picture. So not again. Now, first of all, for those of you who they follow me for this social media, for this Benin Saga space, we will do so. Since we are doing this Benin Saga space, you will not see me wear ring for my hand. You never see me with ring. You never see me with now bangles for my hand. Both cowries bangles and wristwatch. Now they wear. My people, I greet you now better style. You don't see me wearing ring for my hand. The only ring we had ever wear for my life since I was born. Now wedding ring. Wedding ring. Now I ever wear on my hand. Since I was born. Become human being today. The only ring we don't enter is my finger. Now wedding ring. That wedding ring end for Libya. Because now gold. As I want to enter Lapadusa, the connection man will cross us. Now he beg me to give up. I said, my wedding ring. He said, no, say, bros. He said, you can't even disease. He said, if I reach Italy, they will hold me because of this ring. And he said, secondly, they don't use ring. They enter Lapadusa. That water, so they don't anything like mentor, not supposed to follow me enter Lapadusa. Because I'm fear for my master, eh? So now if you carry the ring, enter the boat. Say, no. Now until remove the ring, give that connection now. My wedding ring. Until they move free of charge, not collect 100. Not give me shishi. This lady or Degbe of Papillona, a battle project one of Papillona. In one can talk, he say me get ring where they wear, where they catch women. You see, as don't fail now, it don't work out. They twist handle a boy amoho now juju they catch women. The rest of that women where they talk me for phone, where they assist, where they help, they do 1 or 2 things for their page. Why me not use juju catch them? Me they ask now. Why did juju not catch other women? Why me not use juju to catch mommy? So what do they call this one? From mommy. If you are yo, why me not use juju catch them? They do plenty. How many of them? I don't want to mention what those women name. We don't know because they go to drag them. When people they come and they say, Epa help you do this one. Epa help you do this one. Many of those women when they do presenter, none of them will not get my number when they come. including Rita FB Kokobiri wife. Why me not use you cash all of them? You let person and say, me, I never talk for phone. We never talk for phone. Now be these two women when they fight themselves. When their fight not really finished 2 years, 20 years to come. Monica and Lolo. Secondly, the one where sweet me past myself. When I listen to my people. Frustrated, useless, Australian she-goats. That woman when they smoke homo for Austria. That woman when get stretch mark for brain. That woman when not take care of children. That same woman when government collect 3 of the children. They give to the baby papa. That woman is depressed, useless, frustrated in Austria. When Austria government don't write for paper say he can never have child of his own. They have already sent her as a useless mother. It then her document. That woman said me they come for night, come they use a pillow and they sleep with them. Toto when you hope for me for daytime, I run. Now night, now what can they do? Una see wahala. If you're naked, if you know pitolet, upon all the as you do everything rich for me to sleep with you. I run because why? You were Toto na destiny Toto, na destiny killer Toto that you carry waka. Upon all the things where you do, how you open Toto for me, open breast for me, for this social media, for years they come since 2020. You do so you do what's they call it? Election say be your social media president. Still I still run. I learn name in Obama. You run from bad Kpekus. Kpekus that frustrate man. Kpekus that brings shame to the man. Kpekus that draws the downfall of a man. That kind of Kpekus you go bagger. Okeke as Okeke powerful then reach for this Facebook. He was preaching custom and tradition. If you need to grab him, you turn Okeke to 0 naira, 0 kobo. Okeke is not a TikToker, make noise maker. Now TikTok because they talk for that side. They teach all those frustrated single mother who did this abroad. They teach they have to ABC, Abadi, ABC, for TikTok. They find one give and start give a rose. Who turn Okeke to that? If you need clear because of 3 to 2. Stop copy. Because of what they 3 to 2, 3 to 2 so sweet. Collect 3 to 2. That's what my guy collect 3 to 2. As he collected 3 to 15, destiny, bish. At Bakomiza program where our care do for this Facebook, if you're gonna down, if you bring the Bakomiza down, the man where if you born 3 picking for 3 to 2, if you bring the man down, Jeff Omonji, who is a director, producer, and actor for Edo movie industry, just going to see 3 to 2. If you bring down, don't play. You will learn. Imagine Obazelu of all people just to go do 3 to 2. If you bring down, you go to learn. Nna kebino owa isubu usba draw Obigbo left if you just because of said the guy do 3 to 2. If you bring down. Now you think say I don't reach like that, I just stupid reach to that extent to go further to say me one go do your 3 to 2. If you for your life continue to the dream. This my pickup belongs to Kevin. Right now, right away. So you can continue crying. Me not see your 3 to 2. Before me go knock Kevin. Say, Sister Lara, go marry me. You deaf. When they cry, say, Kevin say, yes, I go and pay the bride price. All of you know this video, you can't be hearing. I was not doing it hard. Even though they knock all this women, I never know Kevin. The only person we I don't unlock out market. Now be this 3 to 2 way, this way they for popular. All this one they cry so. Now they have no. Now they have no. If they are 3 to 2 good, if they get character, why I not pay their bride price? Immediately I don't mark Kevin. I know so that's my choice. I don't need to waste time. Now to see the koto grab him, do the needful. Sister, when they cry, they go. Open us na sexy. I'm sexy with your sexy bombi, with your romantic bombi, with your flat belly, with your nacky allergy. Baba shop 3 toto, Iran. Baba shop 3 toto, Iran. You don't ask yourself why. Baba shop 3 toto, Iran. He got married today. Small guys will get 3 toto. Toto be like water, be like river. And they oh pokish, why no grab him? Person go the bowl of toto. Where you never even say be push speed. My guy, where they for Guinea. That one they use speed. They push speed. They push speed. You understand? My Guinea Bissau. It's a Guinea Bissau. It's a Guinea Bissau. It's a Guinea Bissau. Oh, 3 toto. 3 toto can sweet. Especially of fat toto as well. Why they not marry you as una toto sweet fish? That word when I change them, when I increase them, and all those women when I not my own for side, when I remove them, they never be wife. All those my own. When I remove all those women, we not be your own. But I start not my own. I never see Asaboro plant before. I never see Asaboro breast before. And I just now my S toasters. I call them toasters because we not see for one friend. If you are a woman to talk for phone, not me say now your girlfriend. Unless now woman when you don't late together, no knock. Me and Asaboro no friend. Asaboro is my girlfriend. You understand? Man, Asaboro. You know come away the UK. I don't know before. Unless she come my house. She come my house, we do things. What do we do? Now, Facebook things. Monica husband, and they collect this my money. Monica husband puts in bank account for her. You know come on Facebook page. You know come on, they do video, they chop, they use me for the guy view for Facebook. They chop so talk egile. All the money when they work for you, they chop egile. At the end of the day, now I'm Bruce with your wife, and they chop the money. The only money when they collect on Facebook home, they remove, they put your account for the star home. They put your account for star. The eggs where be said the do money they pass come, which is adverts. They put Sajala for inside. You come over the seed heavy money for a page. The money not the entire account. And they go that paid. Now the woman cry, come meet me. I said, okay, bring her and come. Not because you go fit do. If I teach you for 4, you don't go fit do one. You don't go to school. Bring her come make a happy dress. Okay, no problem. If you come Roma, you come on there for Roma here for Tirubutina. Me, I did for 10 minutes side. You come enter this bus come. You come see me. We not fit the streets outside. They do Facebook. My laptop they say, okay, come house. Then I never stay for one room self container the stay. Not before apartment. Let me say that time I take my office. No, I was living in one room apartment, one room self container. Inside one room, that in my bed day. And then I put table, then I back to my office. It became dead bed sit down. You look at shifted, sit down near me, they look at. And as I do, they screenshot them. If you can see search on Facebook, you go see evidence, proof. That's what I do my team. They screenshot everything where they happen, everything where they saw, the name of which account they inside your page. Basta. I remove Ambrose Adela. I keep put your personal account. I put her for the Facebook. Basta. I do one for her. And also give me 1 naira. And also give me 2 naira. And also give me 1 kobo. I do it for her freely. She come to my house. She was okay. And the next thing, we said, okay, let's go outside and have fun. Let's go on cash cruise. Let's go do short video. Say you come to my house. You understand? We go do short prank. You guys watch what happened. You see everything to go. It was really fun. You know, only come alone now with our granddaughter. We don't think anybody. So make one they put Iyenu Kokomu. Because una they listen to all those news where all those women they talk. Because they know say they don't fail. The person where they verse for, now my wife. Oh yes. The person where they verse for, now my wife, where I married, and they verse for. Because they never expected it. It was so shocking to all of them. Both who don't chop the bola and who never still chop him, Who just a see for afar, who they hate me, who they like me. Because of that one, they're wrong. I know all of them. Because I say I got married McAfee. All of them, pium, pium, pium. Now tell me how I want to marry all of them. I said, okay, no problem. Let me have like 3 or 4 women. Make a marry now. You understand? Make a marry now. Now, party I do. Now, me say me gonna single. Now, me say me live all of now. Man, live now. Okay, I'm not gonna. Don't worry. I'm not respect myself. Life is too short. Not to get this life. Who marry one picking? Who marry one woman they die? Who marry 2 times they die? What today? God, give me prick, give me power, give me strength. Make a thing is salad them. Ta ta ta. Best make una character good. I got satisfied now. I see the hot. You chop come out. I don't want you chop it come out. I don't want you chop it come out. That's so it be. It's terrible, but let your character good. Be honest. Now you come out, leave me. Just you come out 1 week, the next thing you don't use it though. You don't use it though. Now think of the country they come. Person will say, "You want my money? You're gonna use it though." And you know, so the man you follow, not traditional guy. Whether I rubber you use, now man sleep with you, now abomination. How can you be my wife? You say you want my wife to be. You they used to do. You they used to do. And you expect me to be happy. I will not be happy. If to start up your brand price now, say you go use do, you go kick chicken. Fire dog and goats go die. Goats then you go, no you go kill. If I choose to. If I say no, for using Dijo as my wife, you are out of the marriage. And that's it. None of them money for their head now. Now just fuck and go, fuck and go, fuck and go. Now we have a boss everywhere. What's this all? Do you not know say I'm married 3 women? When you they like me, when you see they run, they follow me. You want to get that? Larry, come. This woman, what they call was so waiting for Papillona. Papillona woman, she was fighting for second space. 002. Now she did fight by all means to enter 002. This Papillona woman, this is just it matters not cause quarrel between me and my wife. Because my wife doesn't see the red way this was they play love. She don't come across the way the woman they play love. They call me. Me and my wife we just support with the drive. That's why this woman not going to feel that way. You say you don't know something from McAfee. I know McAfee has a day where copy for airports. No McAfee has a day. Don't be able to drive come out, copy for airports. I they ask you, UDB. You know, you don't lie like fool. Not McAfee has a copy you. Were you not happy? Because you wanted to be 002. You were looking for a space of 002. I said no problem. Now your character will make me look well. Even though you be like elephants, maybe I'm gonna find going from where they push you the ass. I go push you for gym. Maybe the way if I didn't put you for gym, I go fit work at gym. Ordinary motor will carry you the shake. Because to even door motor to even enter that door motor go Ford. That's small Ford. That's more pellet Ford. To enter door. Hey, now problematic problem. Aga konisa. O agonisa. Onisa. Omakbala iremi ni yawu ikebe zu. Wage wasi weke. Ikebe zu. Wage wasi nyedi. Omakbala iremi ni yawu meme oriemi gbe. Give me to there. Oriemi gbe. Our young my sister, no time to check that. No matter where you are, no more. Come we check one. Yes, now. Yes, so, so I talk on the verse. Got to my own leak. You are belonging on the corner and saloon. Only when I must not leak, you're not bad when you're. What is that? Udi. No, Jimmy. On a full community. But what watch for community? You are a boy against discipline. You are going to like salam alaikum. Jesus. See Toto. Now give me way to marry here and does Uji, Salobua, Ujibi, Wogula, but a guru. Oh boy, you want you. No matter what, Sababa. On a number now, what the Wukuna Baba. Yeah, I think we'll call on you. Oh, my son. Bekia, what to level. Now, it's went on. I mean, that's also. Ati wepa love o piano iviekwe o wona tiri o owono apiko kebe wekwere o ajibe no yori o keke akiviekwe o gumekwe nwe okay Papa don't be support you. Russian. Russian. As I don't take the Holy Communion from God Almighty sake, my son got there, go to no level. Otegbe. Nakin eh won base. What is so you nothing bring your hair iyo. What is so you know my marry. Okay, now let's tell ourselves the truth. Who go toast woman go say hello, babe, I like you. Oh yeah, come fuck. Which one will agree for you? Which one will talk? Tell that kind of word. She go agree. If you're not a romantic man, you're not a lovely man, you don't be a caring man. Then no. This is not the one with this big do for Facebook. After Facebook, not like they will live fine normally. You need to live your own normal life as a man. Anybody know the lawyer, whether the respect woman, how the man go to see wife will go computer. If you not be lawyer man, I don't respect woman. All these women when they see, all of them when they see, they go follow me as they get my for Facebook. When they ask myself questions, say, why are these women they don't follow Frank? Wait till they say for this Frank body. This boy now this boy thing, they don't go continue say it allow me. It allow me. It's not to say it's too small. It is small. Now it's small be the problem. Why you go first time? It allow you. You go first time. You see some effect not good. If they use you see you still go second time. You want second time. Third time match ending. You want to come for the third time again. You say no good. Okay, as the boy comes say he don't want again. He don't want no problem don't come. Problematic problema. All the many lies when you talk, you look there, you laugh, say, hey, see all this one. Now this one want to bring the Frank down. Frank, you can't use lie bring me down. That's the truth. You can't use lie bring me down. That's just the basic truth. I was here, they say, I must scatter you on Machiavelli. I must scatter you on Machiavelli. How you want to scatter me on Machiavelli? Now you marry us. I don't understand. You smoke shit. When I ask those men, they smoke shit. Eh? How you want to marry me? How you want to scatter me, Machiavelli? Now you marry us. Now you give hand to me in hand the marriage. How you want to scatter them? You just say you don't scatter them. Now you touch down for me. You know the vibes we have put for our head. Before I come for you accept, you say yes I do. You know the vibes, you know the orientation where I do, you know the English where I use. You know the English. It is not phone calls, relationship. This is not that want to talk for phone. Now to get market with them. You know how much go my name for Italo company. Italo company. Not be special roster. Italo company. Go my name for them. They go tell you where I be. How after they fly Italo like say I'm a business owner. They sit down for business class. This is easy. This is easy. When they fly, they go like this. They fly, they come like this. They big ball. They dread, they gouge up. It is easy. You know the orientation. They crest. And smoke shit abi. This is your saga, your audio, your what audio. Go feel comfortable. I send my wife there on the low key, babe. Not talk to anybody. Relax. You are not a social media presenter when they talk anyhow. But if I want to make it talk, social media will spoke. All this what they do, and I go wrong. Toto. If it be Facebook, I go kind of let them go the last put on video make they see. Make they see. You will be smoking not to throw waste. It is better. You throw waste. No, not to throw waste. The thing you get, not to throw waste. They are going to say, they the oldest one inside. It be like computer. If they twerk your body to it. It's check your body to it. I pray me I live on. Just the play. Just the play. You will be your girl. Let's enter your warehouse. Let's say the first water side. It is they push speed for they put for the Kpekus. Because it's too tight. They may not go pee. My cat no go pee. They will push speed. You will be young girl. Now direct entry. Direct entry. Before they just like different breast. To do them food for water. To do them for water. Of money. One thing I like myself, see, anything that I talk now truth. If you like, come out, painter here, edit audio, continue to edit audio, they play come out, and not concern me. Because all the audio when they play come out, I don't hear all of them. So now we need to say again. Now never you could play and give. But the funniest part of it all, be say, una be three. Wait, gossip that audio. Three of them. Three wife we are get. I get all one, I get all two, I get all three. You understand? Oh, to one overtake 001. Maybe because 001. I want it happen. I want to play. I want to play. I want to play. I want to play. Now maybe the man. Now me go decide who be first, who be second, and who be last. Now me go decide. I don't want one. I don't want two. I don't want three. I want to stay alone. Now me go see decide second. Only one is okay for me. It's my decision, and I stand by it. Who no wants to go park where? Women Sarah for street like such what do do. No base. Now you go run. Now you go lose. How me want to lose? No one can never be lost. You understand? And you go wrong. No calling. Well, at the end of the day, you will end up being disgraced by the same woman. No calling. You will end up being humiliated by women. You understand? Nobody should call me. All this spiteful whether they bring this into when I'm not they call me. I mean the problem. I say no call her. I'm not watch me. You are watching me, don't call me. You understand? When I calm down. The person where I come for. Now this Odegbe, one of Papillona. Now I get my vibes and how they ring the bell. And how they ring the bell, I'm going to touch me many angles. That's me for you. I'm not mentioning about me, but I'm going to touch angles. They know themselves. You understand? I'm going to touch angles. I did live video like this. No, call me. If I don't true for live video, now call the show love. Now call the show love. Okay, person show no love back. When I say, now in the car for video call, now in the distance time, now in the 30 time, now in the car the time, if they put in for hand, if they put in for hand, they talk to woman, hey, I say here for abroad. You know the reason why they believe one of those jargons? Because well, many of them now just not did work for road work. Many of them when they talk to now just they work for road work, and at the end of the day, they end up being zero naira zero kobo. Many of them don't get house. Many of these women where they talk to so, they not reach the sleepers. We market with a mass grand. You understand? Now me date all of them. They not reach the sleepers. We market with a mass grand. Sleepers don't have a lot of muscle. They are poor. They still get bad character. Or say the bad economy. Person will be say, even for a house, for a family, they don't already know it be. You understand? But now we don't know. I'm going to describe what they give us small. I'm going to describe their character they give us. Oh, pause that side. You see, Mami water will not blow. Mamo of Austria. Mamo for Austria. Since we are not disgracing for this media, not be every day. If you pit all they go to pack sweet for inside Austria water. Tell the show na say be Mami water. Since we are collecting and say na mamo, Mami poto, Mami woro. Mami woro. Mami water will not get children. Mami water will born children picking. Government collector for your hand. Mami water will not fight justice for your children. Mami water will not see children for eye. Mami water will not get shame. You say Mami water. You say me when I can't use a pillow, I can't sleep with you. Your Mami water can't stop me for the month. Oh God. This social media, I need to go sweet. I swear to God. So when people go to talk, the man say, yeah. This guy gets himself. Me one can't use a pillow. You open toto for me for phone. You open breast for me for phone. Make a suck. I run. Now me borrow leg run. As I would like breast reach Jesus Christ. As I can't even like breast reach. I feel run for you. I borrow leg run for your breast. For now, you pump the nipple, you push on with iron pressure, you push on, you can't carry Felicia. Or you come on Felicia cream. Felicia hair cream, you use it till rubber, fairly gold organic, fairly skincare. You use it till rubber. You think on the baby, you think on the shot. What if it is sure? I say, hey. But I will cover that thing. What the water? You come on, cover that thing. He didn't say, what the game? What do you see? What the game? What the game? What do you see? What the game? Who go away? I'm not here. I'm not stuck. Who go away? Now come on. I call my eye because this my eye. They make a blender. Don't make a reason to see. I not follow up. I not friend you. Now when I come to sleep for night, I can't turn to and wish. I can't come your house. I want to sleep with you. I would add that into the suite. Who they do that kind of thing? Ima face to face. Ima give you a doggy. I not give you doggy. Better sweet one with the sweet. Where I will press. I will with clean face. I will press breast. I will put on one. When you put it to nipple. I not do one with you. Now nights where we say we're dark. Now I'm gonna come. I want comfort. If you, I want comfort. If you, I want comfort. If you give me toto, risky toto, cause my sister, if you not just go there, you get to a person, maybe the vibe put. You understand? You get Kpekus, maybe the vibe put. No matter how you to switch you. See, your own are content to. They feel so. They like 3 to. They like fresh to. My sister, see me and tell you the truth. If nobody tell you, I could always tell you the truth for free of charge. We were my sister when we done with him, we no go beer. We are not we were young. This one will be saga, not the truth. If I forget it, I go remember. If we are not we vie yan degi yeki. No power. No ba one okay. All of if you really come abroad, you know be okay. He was a very vibrant man. Now MC Okeke, I was saying for grant. You understand? 50 years of Bobby birthday for Piacenza. I see Okeke live. Okeke I do MC for there. You understand? Okeke was there. Spiration was there. This one Mugu, this black eagle waiting for Highland, waiting for Italy. Andrew Moffman was there. My guy, Kokobri Master, Efa Uyedo was there. Iyeboyi was there. You understand? So this guy Osula Peking was also there. Kola Osula, now Kola Osula like play. Kola Osula was Don Vies was there. Don Cliff Too Smile was there. You understand? For Bobby 50 years birthday for Piacenza. You understand? That was 2019. You didn't feel me so? That great guy, that guy gallant rich. I don't say short, but when I make gallant for brain, you get things for head to give to Edo people, to educate Edo women out there. That if you need to bring them down, it really knock to do. As a knock, if you do, the guy go down till now. Now TikTok is going to see now. TikTok, please go for TikTok. And TikTok for go to gather women for TikTok. How these they TikTok. If you see them on Facebook, like you see 1,500 people they watch. Love and life when they go on. Love and life when they go. When they cut in, question when they go on. And I don't want to do your pim. Followed by who? I hope the list. This guy they like to kill people that have brighter future. He know them. He has that vision of seeing great men. When you see great men, go play too close to them. Go play close to them. Destiny was so smart. You understand? Destiny used to be like me. That's what you said. Me and Destiny, we don't get the same spirits. Destiny Bagua. When I say mash, that will be. You feel so? The same thing he wanted to do to Destiny Bagua. This guy, this will just bless my idea. Destiny, no blackmailer. He said Destiny blackmailer. Last now. Bring your company blackmail you. The new picture we said Destiny blackmail you. Send that come. Just the way this useless big toto we did for Papaluna. The one you have to do before. I know Destiny blackmail. At the end of the day, Destiny new picture they carry the Sharon. The Sharon alongside with your SOE. That talkative way for Bejo. No, but keep carrying the corner here Bejo. In with Monica, they share Destiny prick for the social media. Thinking they will be break down. Since when they share Destiny prick, Destiny one of the most famous person now for those people who have lost Nuna and Destiny. One of them upon us the share nakedness. What's it play last? What if they don't do destiny? Who they inside? This Ivie. This is a destiny killer. That one not Shamo. He entered Jeff Omoroji. Oh, no, Jeff Omoroji. Former boyfriend to late Sharon. Now so he dragged that one. Think that one to come and come talk. All of the way friend if he must come and come talk. He give him 15,000 euros right now. Now 3,000, 400, 300 euros. Now give Jeff. Say give him 15,000 euros. He dragged Jeff for this media. That will not end there. The man when he born to the picking for what he end there, enter last. Now court them for go settle. Court of law, and they for go settle. Now they for carry picking, give the man. Declare if he is a bad wife and he can never, it's a bad mother, he can never have a charge for this abroad. If he they born a hospital, they collect the picking. Bam. He did documents. If you say, let me put the document. Come on. Me I show them. Me I translate that from Austria to English for now. Where he did. Don't want the one side. See our brother. Obaselu, where he get wife for Germany. When they want to say, "Kina traditional one married to wife." Obaselu, only one now Obaselu go. Upset be. What's happened? Till today, when I hear for Obaselu again, it's gone. If you're the destiny killer, if you Obigbo date Oyibo, we go get Jama pass. The guy they work, they okay. They live his life, he get children. Nobody don't ever saw that guy. The guy they work or he get children, they do okay. He was living fine. Everybody live fine. If you say go for TikTok, everybody bomb. Immediately he start to the death Ivie. We can't know say that strong man. Ivie consider that he's not strong man. If you trust, like most of the say he bring that guy integrity down. Person will be say just there, they doing things on a no kill. So that's why we also enter this business because we also watch 1 or 2 videos. If you dragon, you make us say the dragon. You make us say the dragon to the extent of saying the guy was even forced to lock up for Facebook self. Because of that TV. Now you they expect person like me more. God forbid. Who did your body here? Solobo agbo destiny. Ogbo destiny. Who no be destiny no God forbid. I reject the total Jesus name. I reject the total Jesus name. If you are rejected to every total destiny killer, I reject it. What's wrong? Deja. Who normal level where you chop every month. Hey, do you know when you my sister? Babe, see me, I think one thing. If you think this, you be babe, say you still the vibe, say you do. Benin man will guess it's not gonna put you for house. I tell you the truth. This will not be saga. And they tell you for free. It's not be saga. I'm not the saga you. Benin man will wear normal level, no put you for house. Now foreigner like COVID board, and they could put you for house. I know like you not be saying the guy not good to your guy, good normal level. I don't go see. I don't go strong man to your guy, because I'm correct guy. You understand? But you see you, where live a guy, see. Oh, where you are. Really Benin man like Costa with guesses. We not matter you now. Sister, if you open to do for free, put money on us in front, just on dope for 1 round. I'll give you 20 billion. I'm not go dope. You know why? This is Gary, that my destiny Gary where the jigsaw. I value and pass your billionaire to with the key destiny. Because if you are a billionaire, a destiny to can run you to 0 and 0 within 2 days. I swear to God. You understand? Destiny killer to can run you down. So that's why I need to use my brain. Like this. Yeah, they do have so now in social media. They Frank and so Frank sleep with them, and so Frank married to her. I talk. I don't understand now. For this social media, I've not been saying it times that number say, I know they marry one wife. My wife they go stay for line like this. After that, so I'll get 1, 2, 3 for the good that they go. Yeah, I want to. I know that you feel. Yeah, I know you can go and support Bassett. Ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome to my beautiful wife, my beautiful gorgeous wife, Mommy Karen. Off with me, you. Hey, wow, you get. I will come and give her. You know, salam alaikum. Off with me, yaro you. Hey, wow, you come you know, blessing, yaro you off with me. Hey, wow, you come you know, Doris off with me, yaro you. Hey, wow, you come you know, Rita off with me, yaro you. And now you come. Oh, man, what to do? What are you saying? The only person that will go repair you to because you to give me chance. Hey, why are you going, man? Why are you like man? Why are you star man? The only presenter where go repair YouTube, it call repair to. You know, easy. I appeal over like you. The only presenter where open page, you open to. A bad man. Why are you, man? Give me the hack. I didn't hack you, man. They have follow up. They have follow up. Why respecting any problem? Why garment? None of them that comes in a Frank shop. Now, person shop one woman, 100 million. We shop for 1 week, we end us. We shop for 1 week, we end us. When I respecting ourselves, one guy shop one woman, 100 million. In that total journal, is this shop 100 M? Is it that does not say the woman like Bobrisky? Say Bobrisky move about the woman. I just believe boys still play. Bad guy. He shop 100 million finish. He cost let us to say if we people prefer to date Bobrisky than the woman. Or there be one of Papillon now. Oh my, you go make 100 euro or boy. Why you 100 euro? When you come Kalowese, when you Kalowese, when you go to Dodogun, imagine you come the first day when you come. That one I don't know. I don't see that one for the most and most from market. That I will do live video. In the inside flat, make the live video. Bad guy. I did live video market the other day. I look down. I did the calotiness. I pick this one now. I take one I go Africa shop bar. I go shut out Dogun Peter. I go buzz it. I bust Dogun like this. Now the no, they watch me that for live video. When they turn on Dogun, this guy this house. This is dead man. This house. When they beat this guy, Don Moscow, lot of central. Make a boy, lot of central. I boy, I cook and I be sitting in I cook to woman. And I cook and are you waking? Yes, sir. Would you be one of Madrid? Yeah, I remember that. They give a chance. When they pure, would you be one of Madrid? This one you're dead baby. This ass. Or we bet you out jabu. Or jabu baby. And now clear you. Now clear you. When she even called in the contribution, she was in my room. With the office, this room. They contribute, they vibe. As you contribute to this person, on any say, oh, what the camera, what the phone, what a lot, or gossip here, or gossip here, or gossip on here, or gossip cannot be, or gossip. Yes, my Papillon, Nigeria Association of Papillon, or gossip here, this woman. Jesus, she would, I don't know, she knew everybody for this whole world, but nobody knew her. She knew everybody with the whole world, but nobody knew her. You go this one, you go this one. Epa Eddie, motos. Don't they're too plenty. If I start to go to this one, chats, people they will see beat. Yes. Look, I let me know now. If I enter this woman chat, people they will see beat. Some men they will see be useless. I will still beat them. No worry. Hello. I must show the live video. Yeah. Okay. Okay, you want to contribute? Okay, we put on live. Okay, this speaker now.
Yeah, from which I wish you.
I wish you was.
Baddest guy. You know, it's not only, all these they shout for Facebook swear. Freedom, I beg you, get your WhatsApp. They don't lose God. You know, when my dad lose God, they're going to form they're too good. Nah. Forget, see, they open their eyes to better.
Yes.
Not be juju. They claim to not juju, my guy. You get one at the rush yesterday, like Queen, that's not Italy. They shots for one corner. Say they use juju. Did you say you? I was saying, what is coming, Juju? This guy is sharp now. So what could I leave the guy? He's a sharp guy. He's not Juju here. Anybody they convenient the sharp Juju for some of all the women are they say Frank really Juju. They see the woman. But my guy, no Juju. That's my level.
Now straight sharpness.
Not normal swag, my brother.
Exactly.
Not normal swag. They like your swag, and they fall. Which one will you do again? Yeah, I just tired.
And be fool. I don't get it.
That's swag. That's swag. I'm not swag. You understand? So I don't know why they paying them. No, say most men they pay them say. If they pay them say not be there, they not be they collect.
Exactly. You don't talk on.
You understand? Especially the old women for inside, the good taste, the mamas. Now they like the pay pass. They must collect at their age.
When they take that the physical collector, they do with the physical collector.
The way you did last year, now the last way, the kind of last way we see, they want to forget the last Baba, when this man hits you, I beg you too much, I beg you.
I be lying. Not me pursue their husband. As a man don't live there now. I have to be useful to them. You don't understand me. I'm a very good Samaritan. I don't understand. You understand? See, they're not a pity to two. And they tell you, oh my God, if you get wife, not pity to two. They're not a pity to two. They fuck to two. They fuck to two. They're not a pity to two. See, not God play. Baba, if you don't buy, you don't know whether to exist again. Baba, knock, fire. Baba, knock, shop to two. Why should be say, I don't want the door to two. I will sit to two, I go shop to two. You go fuck to two. To two, go no see na fucker. You go no see na go enter. You go hey. You go hear what? Not be how can they form big boy with two heads. But if you don't enter bedroom, that ruggedness. Give her give her last time, give her all this time. Now still steady, you give her if you want us to give her better weapon. If you come out for your house, you go to think about you to die. There was not to be you. Don't be you, forget it. See that brother, you went not to knock. Then they say, woman, they ban the use you. Man, not they use you. If woman don't open for you, the rest you do your plate. Use it. Give her. Make him know, say, in collect. And if he collect, he die, nobody forget you. How can you imagine person like, mommy, let the kid leave. He don't come up in my house. He dey cry, he go. Sit down finger, use for her. Sit down finger. Okay, go lick, and lick him. And lick it, they make woman the tears. And lick it, they make woman they cry. Just they play. About fuck to touch to hit to scatter her. If you go ask, if you sleep, if your mother go the wrong into your head, say, who feel knock me like this? Even the man when born for not feel knock like this. But this guy a bad guy. No, this kind of person will leave him. Go the wrong follow you. Don't be just. I said, don't be mad. It's not like contrary. Make I use you. When you know so now I turn you around if I don't turn you. You understand? And in reality, Baba fuck to. What a pity to. Now you see so many for women they commit adultery, because Epa not the fuck to. Epa chop where we fuck to. They chop where. They chop. Papa they chop. They want to tell for Nigeria. I want to tell for Nigeria. Not go eat well for abroad. So you will see to you know you don't want to relax the romance to. Not the romance to they fuck to. Now brace the romance. Now they call. This one be woman call. This one be woman program. My program. Now man they talk to. Now man get this program. Now man supposed to be fuck to. Bad for you. Me I call the commerce before I call you call kill me. Okay now. All right, people, I greet you all with better style. This is just the part 7 of this program. What we do? So the part 7 will do now. I know where we go now. This one go too sweet. So the part 7 will do now. Sweet guys later. I don't want to make this video too long. And the video too long. People know if they watch and reach the ending. I got to cut to like 1 hour. Yes, sir. But today now, this last one, I'm saying, oh guys, if they watch me, make sure they shop to fuck to. Not play with to. If you play with to, they go to say you don't get level. But if you fuck to, they go to say they use gas. I am the secret. No calling. None of the hear English. I said, no call it today. I agree to that. You understand? No worry, that one run that one. That one has put no one from that one else. No run that one. Oh, that's all right there. The comment they make me laugh. Don't shame me, not their way. Not their way. The truth is safe, they don't come narrate themselves. Nobody for no say, I don't fuck on me left lovely. Who for a year before? Who know before? Now she could use her man, they break bottles. You understand? You know how many they back here when they talk about? They're not doing it, not here around. They are doing that thing normally. God bless them. You understand? You know me say we not physically communicate. So the one who see me normal level, I just control. Now one don't even know. Gaiman, you know I know the story now. We be man. We don't our way out. We also do what normal level. Everybody just work out. Bam. Peace, good. Peace and love. We also do. You see all this one thing they will not shop. They finish. They'll call it cry for live video, or because they want to grow their page. They want to use a group page. They'll call the phone one thing. Sister, if you want fuck to two, the woman go phone like this. Phone go phone for your hand. You're not gonna know where record date to press. You're not gonna know where record date to press when you did mission. I go ask now. You will come for mission. When did they fuck you? Why you not record that? Why? When did they fuck you? Why you not record? Because when I can see when they talk for live video, you know how to fuck. When I can see, when I can listen, when I can watch, I record that. Why you not record that? I go and go now. We can live around. And I will see you guys later. I'm going to run my program right now. This program is for women's for men. You understand? For those people they come and wait, I will do another program on the call.